What's up guys, it's Jonathanlol here, and I've got a video with Skype today. I was playing a few different comps, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Comment if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to see more like this, then go check out my channel, it's in the description.
Try them popping everything on him right now.
He grounded it, god damn it. Going at CCing everyone.
Stunning fucking shot. Trinketing that.
Stun. I can
Tricketing.
trigger in 1
Give me
second.
speed buff.
Okay.
Freedom.
One where?
Okay, nice.
I kicked the Siphene.
There's healing time. Shit.
Snake Purge. Sure
Capacitor.
that.
I killed Capacitor.
Okay, killing healing tide.
Silence, triggering.
Shit. Stunning. Got it. They're both trinketed. Intervening you. Disarming warrior. Got it. Charging shaman. I got shaman charged.
CCing warrior.
Fine.
Stay near me. I'll CC.
Trimmer.
I'm gonna.
Linking.
Got him enough that I'm not.
I silenced him too. Life
Stunning
block,
warrior.
here.
Shaman.
Just stay
Freedom.
on.
Freedom.
Okay, shit.
Going ham still. Putting warrior again.
Charging shaman maybe.
Silencing him. Didn't work, I guess.
Got interrupted.
You get the-
Executing.
I got next.
I'm gonna start on this warrior, but I'm definitely gonna swap. Like, I'm gonna swap my combo points.
Okay.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get the druid out. Didn't. Sure druid. Oh, never mind. I couldn't stop that, man.
I got the warrior shout. I mean, just shock there. Rooting him. Out of this roar.
Shining that time, shining that one, go.
Druid's rooted.
Sure.
Alright, I'm on 100 now.
Hexing druid. I'm actually scattered.
I saw, I feel that, beautiful.
I'm trapped, sitting in this.
Wall here.
I'm tricketing, I don't care. Hexing druid off of that.
Okay,
Wow,
okay.
he's not in my line for some reason.
Warrior.
Silence.
I'm gonna silence
Yeah,
druid on that. Silence druid.
Giving you Stormlash.
Back.
He trade.
Yeah, I'm bashing him. I'm still doing a lot of damage.
I feel after.
Tricketing.
Big heals. I'm gonna get scattered soon. I'm charged actually.
I'll be ready. Good.
I'm scattered? Yeah, there's no way you can get it. Wow, nice.
Got it.
That's nice. You're out.
No way.
I'll get you in a second.
Silence them.
I'm rooted.
Root?
Like root silence
Here,
or something like that. It's weird. Silence shrouded.
I'm gonna root. I don't have any.
I have a hex for him in 3 seconds.
I use a stone.
I'll stun him.
Hexing. Full hex.
Okay. Putting warrior full. Stunning this
Silence.
punter, dude. He can't deter him.
Can
Okay, he can't.
you clone out of that?
Calling.
Yeah, stunning off.
Try to clone him. I can't.
Yeah,
I
I'll
stunned
fear
him.
up.
Do it off. I'm actually scattered
Silence,
right now.
silence.
Fear, full fear up.
Do. Pop
Kill
something.
me.
I can't.
Okay. Bashing druid out of that.
Alright, they're gonna do a lot of damage, but it should be fine.
I need to port back for a sec.
Okay, yeah,
Let's get on the wall.
Okay?
I kicked the
sounds
lock.
This shaman is like purge happy. Hey, I'm gonna hex him.
good. Okay, you chambered.
He shoot me.
Silencing him so he can't.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna start
Pulling
sending me.
him.
Nice, dude.
I'm
feared.
gonna stun the shaman full.
I silence.
Got him, nice, okay.
Juke
I got
kick.
fear after that. No chamber.
Okay.
I'm death healed. Be careful.
I just
Getting
saw some.
here.
I'm running way back here.
I
I'm
feel
in
like the
a
DK.
really dumb
I
spot.
Burst in lag.
Lock first.
Calling
Bouncing shaman.
shaman. Killing
Big
that.
heals. Hexing shaman.
High fear,
I'm feared.
shaman.
I got Kevin's fear and I hexed the shaman.
Putting his trinket full.
Oh, he's
How
got
they
an
go
NS up. I'm gonna purge it. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like if you liked it and a comment if you have something to say about it. If it was one of your favorites, then add it to your favorites. And make sure you go check out my channel because I make content like this all the time. Thanks guys.